Meaning of diddle.
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 Diddle. Diddle can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can mean to fidget or play with something in a restless manner, to cheat or defraud, or to masturbate. The result of diddling can vary from wasted time and lost productivity to serious consequences such as financial or legal troubles. Inappropriate or non-consensual diddling can also lead to psychological trauma for others involved. Therefore, it is important to be aware of the various meanings and connotations of diddle and use the term appropriately.